Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into an exciting topic that I have been eager to share with you. Before we jump in, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright, so in this video, we are going to create one JavaScript function to convert a comma separated values string into JSON object. So sometimes when you deal with CSV files and you have such kind of data, this is heading, you can say column 1, column 2, and this is new line character with value AB, and this is new line character with value C and D. So how this structure comes from CSV file, column 1, column 2, A, B, C, D. So in first column, column 1, first row, column 1, column 2, second row, A, B, third row, C, D. And when you copy those data, you will see these comma separated values. And sometimes when you deal with this kind of CSV files, you need to convert those values into JSON object. So you can see it is array, but it is a JSON object with column 1 A, column 2 B, column 1 C, and column 2 D. Similarly, with second input, you can see the values are same, just a separator is different. Here separator is semicolon, okay, and output should be same. So we are going to create one JavaScript function and using AS6 method. Okay, so first of all, we have created two constant string 1 and string 2. Okay, let's start creating our function. Let's give our function name CSV2 JSON. Okay, and using AS6 method, we can call this function. Okay, so now first of all we will pass data, that is our string. Second is delimiter, and let's pass default delimiter value. Default function parameter is comma. Okay, because we are dealing with CSV and default value is comma separated values. Okay, first of all we need to grab this title heading. So let's create one constant titles is equal to data dot, we will slice. So slice function returns a section of a string. So 0, the first value is 0, that is start of the string, that is number, and second is end of the string. So we can pass data dot index of, here we will pass until we can find the next line character until this point. Okay, so new line character dot, we will split this split this into two array using delimiter. Okay, it should be delimiter. Okay, now let's go and log these titles. To log this, we have to call this function. Let's log this function value csv to JSON, and we can pass s1, that is our first string. Okay, let's go to browser console. Okay, so some error is there because 0 data dot index of dots split. Okay, I think this split should be here because this slice is different operation and we are adding split whatever output we are getting here. Okay, so now you can see we have an array with column 1, column 2. So we separated that column 1 and column 2. Okay, all right, so what's next? Let's start. Okay, so now we will use return data. Okay, now we will change the number of function. The first function we will do is slice. What we will slice, the start number we will use is data dot index of, and we will slice from new line character. Okay, plus 1. So this will return this particular string. Okay, so this is returning data dot slice. Okay, now we will split this string using new line character. So we got this string like this, and using dot split function we can convert this string into array slash n, that is new line character. It should be dot, yeah, okay, that is correct. Dot map, and map function accept number of arguments. First is we can give values, and we can define our map function. Okay, so here what we will do, we will create another constant first, values. Okay, and values will be v, that is this variable v dot split, and split by delimiter. Okay, so this value will be a and b because delimiter is common. Okay, so this is values. So in this constant we will find a and b, c and d. Okay, so this is our values constant, and you can again return titles dot reduce. So we can use this reduce function. So this reduce function accepts up to 4 arguments. The reduce method calls the callback function one time for each elements in an array. Okay, so what we will do, in reduce function we will pass the first value as obj. So this is the runtime object. We will get obj, not runtime, but it is, we are defining, we are creating this object. Okay, obj, the second one is title, and third one is index. Okay, so here what we are going to do, here we are going to give this again obj of title. So obj of title is equal to, we have to compare values of index. So this is comparison, and it will apply on all these titles which we are fetching here. Okay, so and in second argument, once this comma, yeah, one this uh, bracket is completed, here we can pass obj, and in the third argument we can pass simple object, an empty object. Okay, so let's see. So cannot create property call on string call one. Okay, so there is something missing here. Let's see. Return titles dot reduce. Let me make it little bit readable. Obj, that is object title index. Okay, here obj of title is equal to values of index. Okay, this is the bracket which we are closing here. The second is object, yeah, okay. So here we need to close this here and here. Now let's see, it's still the same error because okay, obj of title is equal to values of index. This bracket closes here, obj, yeah, here. adding one more bracket here. Now this is fine. Now see what it returns. You can see the output which we are expecting here is column. So this is one JSON object, 0 value, column 1A, column 2B. Similarly, column A, column 1C, column 2D. Okay, so using this reduce, this is one of the very useful function in JavaScript in ES6. Okay, so now what we can do, let me remove this. We can pass s2 another string, and let's see how it works. So this will not work by default because delimiter is comma. We need to pass semicolon specifically, and now we are good. You can see the same output: column 1 A, column 2 B, column 1 C, and column 2 D. So this is JSON object, and you can use the JSON object on your client side to display your data. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, leave a comment down below with your thoughts on this video. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.